In Georgia, 1 million vaccines have already been administered, but this afternoon we're learning 1.3 million seniors are still waiting to receive the first dose. CBS 46's Sabrina Silva joining us now live at Jim Miller Park, that vaccination site in Marietta where Governor Kemp just wrapped up an update on vaccination efforts. Sabrina, what's the latest?
Yeah, Karen, the problem remains the same, lack of supplies. The governor actually pointed out to these lanes over here and said it could have been filled with cars only if the state had enough vaccines to give out. Governor Brian Kemp taking a tour of the COVID-19 vaccination site at the Jim Miller Park in Cobb County before announcing that the state is nowhere near where it has to be when it comes to vaccinations.
Georgia's vaccine supply continues to not meet the demand that we have out in the community. So it is our demand is drastically outpacing the supply that we're seeing in our state.
Right now, the state is distributing 146,000 doses of the vaccine per week, but starting next Monday, it'll bump up to 154,000.
We're getting more shots in arms every day, but we are also still in a deadly race against a highly contagious virus.
As for the number of positive cases, the state has been seeing a decline. Hospitalizations are also down, with 1,700 less patients than the peak on January 12th. And next on the list of things to do is addressing the issues keeping non-English speaking communities and communities of color from receiving the vaccine.
We're developing a special communication campaign specifically to try to ensure that all communities fully understand the value of this vaccine.
The state is still in phase 1A plus and may be for a while.
I mean, you can make the case for a lot of different people that should be included in the next phase, and we want to do them all. But right now, the best public health response with the supply that we have is to protect the people that are the most vulnerable, and that is what we are doing.
Now, those are the people right over there getting their vaccines here in Marietta. But Dr. Toomey says right now, 23 people have tested positive for the new variant here in Georgia, and wants people to continue following those CDC guidelines. But for now, reporting live in Marietta, I'm Sabrina Silva, CBS 46 News.
Yeah, Sabrina, that site in Cobb County very heavily used. Thank you so much for that update.